In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to real-time data on TradingView, allowing you to access up-to-the-minute market information. This guide will walk you through the process, step by step, so you can make the most out of your TradingView experience. Let's get started by accessing your profile. When you're logged into TradingView, look for your avatar or username icon. You'll typically find it nestled at the top right corner of the platform. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is your access point to various personalized settings and tools. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Billing section. From that drop-down menu, select either Settings and Billing or Account and Billing, depending on which is available. This area is where you manage all your subscriptions and account preferences. In the Billing section, look for a tab or section labeled Subscriptions. Here, you'll be able to find a dedicated section for real-time market data. It's your one-stop shop for all things related to real-time data packages. Once there, you'll see a button or link that says Explore Now. This is your gateway to browsing the different real-time data options that TradingView offers. Clicking on it will open up a world of various packages tailored to specific markets or exchanges. Now it's time to select and make a purchase. Browse through the available packages and identify the specific markets or exchanges where you require real-time data. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your purchase. It's pretty straightforward, but remember that you need to complete every step for the purchase to go through successfully. At this point, TradingView might require you to provide additional information for verification purposes. You could be asked to fill out a form with personal details, or sometimes you might need to complete a verification step through your broker. This process ensures everything is above board and aligns with trading regulations. Once your purchase is confirmed and any necessary verifications are complete, you'll notice a significant change on your watch list. Any small delay indicator, such as a D, will disappear from the assets you've purchased real-time data for. This indicates that you're now viewing real-time quotes, giving you the most accurate and timely information. Keep in mind that real-time data subscriptions are often sold on a per-market or per-exchange basis. If you require real-time data across different exchanges, you may need to purchase multiple subscriptions. Also, remember that these purchases can generally only be completed via the web version of TradingView, not on the mobile app. Finally, if you're accessing TradingView through a broker's trading panel, it's possible that your real-time data might already be sourced directly from the broker. It's always worth checking with them before subscribing to additional data packages. By following these steps, you'll have seamless access to real-time market data, enhancing your trading insights and decisions. Enjoy trading with real-time information at your fingertips.